Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, life keeps testing you? Have you ever cried in silence, wondering when your prayers will be answered? Perhaps you have faced disappointment after disappointment, and your heart has become tired from waiting. If that is how you feel today, then this message is for you. Life can sometimes feel overwhelming. There are days when nothing seems to go according to plan, when every effort appears to end in disappointment, and when the future looks uncertain. During these moments, it is easy to question why these hardships have entered our lives. However, a believer understands that every trial comes from Allah with wisdom, mercy, and purpose. Nothing happens by accident. Every challenge is carefully measured by the one who knows what our hearts can bear. What appears to be a setback today may actually be the path that leads to the greatest blessing tomorrow. Allah reminds us in the Qur'an, **. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. This beautiful promise is not simply a comforting statement. It is a guarantee from the Lord of the worlds. Allah does not say that ease comes after hardship alone, but that it comes with hardship. This means that even while we are struggling, Allah is already placing mercy, lessons, opportunities, and hidden blessings within those difficult moments. Sometimes we recognize them immediately, while at other times we only understand them years later. Reflect on the lives of the prophets, the best of mankind. Prophet Yusuf, a.s., was betrayed by his own brothers, separated from his beloved father, sold as a slave, falsely accused, and imprisoned despite his innocence. Every stage of his life seemed to move further away from his dreams. Yet Allah was preparing him for a position of honor and authority. Without the well, there would have been no palace. Without the prison, there would have been no leadership. What people intended as harm, Allah transformed into goodness. The same lesson appears in the life of Prophet Ayub, a.s., who lost his wealth, health and loved ones. Despite unimaginable suffering, he never complained against Allah or abandoned his faith. His patience became a source of honor, and Allah restored his blessings many times over. These stories remind us that trials are not signs of Allah's anger. Often, they are signs that Allah is shaping a believer's character, increasing their reward, and bringing them closer to Him. Hardship also purifies the heart. It teaches humility when success might have made us arrogant. It teaches gratitude for blessings we once ignored. It strengthens our dependence on Allah, instead of relying solely on our own abilities or worldly resources. Many people discover the sweetness of sincere dua only after they experience pain. They find peace in prayer because hardship pushes them closer to their Creator. Every tear shed in the middle of the night, every heartfelt supplication, and every moment of patience is known to Allah, and never goes unnoticed. It is important not to compare your journey with the lives of others. Someone else's success may seem immediate, while your path feels longer and more difficult. But Allah writes every person's story differently. The delay you dislike today may actually be protecting you from something harmful, or preparing you for something far greater than you have imagined. Allah sees the complete picture, while we only see a single page. Trusting His plan means believing that His timing is always perfect, even when it does not match our own expectations. *2. Tawakkul opens doors that human effort cannot test. There comes a point in every person's life when effort alone no longer seems enough. You work hard, make careful plans, seek every opportunity, and still the results do not appear. It is during these moments that a believer learns one of the greatest lessons in Islam. Success does not come from our abilities alone. It comes by the permission of Allah. We are commanded to strive with excellence, but our hearts must always remain attached to the one who controls every outcome. This is the true meaning of Tawakkul, placing complete trust in Allah, while continuing to do your best. Allah says in the Qur'an, and whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and provide for him from where he does not expect. Surah At-Talaq 65 2.3. This verse is a powerful reminder that Allah can open doors that no human being can open. He can create opportunities from places you never imagined. A job can appear when every application has been rejected. Financial relief can come when every resource seems exhausted. Healing can arrive after doctors have lost hope. Guidance can enter a heart that once felt completely lost. Allah's power is beyond the limits of human understanding. Tawakkul does not mean sitting back and waiting for miracles without making an effort. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us to take the necessary means while placing our trust in Allah. We work, we study, we seek halal opportunities, we make sincere dua, and then we leave the results to Allah. A believer understands that if something does not happen despite sincere effort, Allah has chosen something better, even if it cannot be seen at the moment. Sometimes Allah delays an answer because He is preparing a greater blessing. If every prayer were answered exactly when we wanted, we might miss the wisdom behind Allah's perfect timing. The delay itself may be protecting us from harm, strengthening our faith, or preparing us for responsibilities we are not yet ready to carry. What feels like a closed door may actually be Allah's mercy directing us toward a better destination. Remember the story of Maryam. When she was alone and in great distress, Allah provided for her in ways no one could have imagined. Remember Musa, standing before the sea with Pharaoh's army behind him. To human eyes, there was no escape, yet Allah commanded him to move forward, and the sea split by His command. These are timeless reminders that when believers trust Allah completely, impossible situations can change in an instant. Never allow fear to replace faith. The one who fed you yesterday will provide for you tomorrow. The one who protected you in the past will continue to protect you if He wills. Continue making dua even when you do not see immediate results. Continue seeking forgiveness, performing your prayers, and relying upon Allah with certainty. Every sincere act of trust strengthens your relationship with your Creator and brings peace to your heart. Even before your circumstances change, your responsibility is to keep walking toward Allah with sincerity and perseverance. His responsibility, which He has promised, is to guide, provide, and open the doors that are best for you. When you combine hard work with sincere tawakkul, you discover a confidence that no setback can destroy, because your hope is no longer tied to people or circumstances. It is tied to Allah whose promises never fail. Point 3. Patience today leads to success tomorrow. One of the greatest qualities that transforms hardship into success is Sabr, or patience. In Islam, patience is not simply waiting for difficult times to pass. It is remaining faithful to Allah while you wait. It is continuing to pray when your du'as seem unanswered, continuing to obey Allah when life feels unfair, and continuing to hope in His mercy even when your heart is exhausted. True patience is an act of worship, and Allah has promised that those who practice it will never lose their reward. Allah says in the Qur'an, "Indeed, Allah is with the patient." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:153. Think about the comfort contained in this verse. When you are patient, you are never alone. Allah's support, guidance, and mercy are with those who remain steadfast. This does not mean life suddenly becomes easy, but it means that Allah gives strength to carry every burden and wisdom to benefit from every trial. Every successful believer goes through seasons of waiting. There are moments when dreams seem delayed, opportunities disappear, and the future becomes unclear. During these periods, Shaitan whispers that your efforts are useless and that your prayers are not being heard. But a believer rejects these whispers and remembers that Allah's timing is always perfect. A delay is not a denial. Sometimes Allah is protecting you from something harmful, teaching you valuable lessons, or preparing something far greater than you originally asked for. The lives of the prophets beautifully demonstrate this truth. Prophet Nuh called his people to worship Allah for hundreds of years, facing rejection and ridicule. Yet he remained patient because he trusted Allah's promise. Prophet Ibrahim waited many years before being blessed with a child, but he never lost hope in his Lord. Prophet Yaqub spent years separated from his beloved son Yusuf, yet he continued to say that he would complain only to Allah. Their patience was rewarded in ways that continue to inspire believers until today. Patience also develops qualities that comfort and ease cannot produce. Difficulties teach humility, strengthen character, deepen faith, and remind us that true success comes from Allah alone. Many people discover their strongest relationship with Allah during their hardest moments. Their late-night prayers become more sincere, their dependence on Allah becomes stronger, and their hearts become more grateful for even the smallest blessings. What first appeared to be a painful test becomes the very reason they grow closer to their Creator. Remember that every act of patience is recorded by Allah. Every tear shed in prayer, every hardship endured with faith, every temptation resisted for His sake, and every moment you choose trust over despair carries immense reward. Allah never overlooks the struggles of His servants. Even if people fail to recognize your sacrifices, your Lord knows every difficulty you have faced, and every effort you have made. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself that the darkest part of the night comes just before dawn. The greatest victories often arrive after the longest periods of waiting. Keep praying with sincerity, keep striving with excellence, keep seeking forgiveness, and keep placing your hope in Allah. The road may be difficult, but every step taken with patience brings you closer to the success that Allah has already written for you. Those who remain patient today will, by Allah's mercy, look back one day and realize that every hardship was preparing them for blessings beyond their imagination. Point 4. Allah's promise never fails. In a world where people often break their promises, disappointments are common. Friends may leave, opportunities may disappear, and plans may fall apart. But there is one promise that never changes, never weakens, and never fails. The promise of Allah. His words are absolute truth, and every promise He has made will come to pass at the perfect time. When a believer truly understands this, fear begins to fade, hope returns to the heart, and confidence in Allah becomes stronger than confidence in any worldly solution. Allah says in the Qur'an, "Indeed, Allah does not fail in His promise." Surah Al-Imran 3:9. This single verse is enough to fill the heart with peace. If Allah has promised mercy for those who seek forgiveness, then His mercy will come. If He has promised provision for those who trust Him, then sustenance will arrive in the best way, and at the best time. If He has promised relief after hardship, then no matter how long the struggle lasts, ease is certain because Allah's promise is always true. Sometimes people lose hope because they measure Allah's plan according to their own timetable. They expect immediate answers to every prayer and quick solutions to every problem. But Allah, in His infinite wisdom, knows exactly when every blessing should arrive. A blessing that comes too early may become a burden, while a delayed blessing may become the greatest source of happiness. Allah sees what we cannot see. He knows what is hidden behind every closed door, and what is waiting beyond every difficult moment. Consider the life of Prophet Yusuf. If he had been rescued from the well immediately, he would never have reached the palace. If he had not been imprisoned, he would not have met the people who later became the means for his rise to leadership. Every painful chapter of his life was leading him toward Allah's promise. What looked like failure was actually preparation for success. In the same way, the trials you face today may be leading you toward blessings that you cannot yet imagine. Never believe that your sincere dua has been ignored. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught that every sincere supplication is answered by Allah in one of three ways. He grants what you asked for, He delays it for a better time, or He replaces it with something even better or protects you from harm through it. This means that no sincere prayer is ever wasted. Every time you raise your hands to Allah, you are speaking to the one who hears every whisper and knows every secret hidden in your heart. No matter how impossible your situation appears today, remember that Allah is Al-Qadir, the All-Powerful. He can change your circumstances in a single moment. He can replace sadness with joy, poverty with provision, sickness with healing, loneliness with righteous companionship, and confusion with guidance. The same Allah who parted the sea for Musa, protected Ibrahim from the fire, reunited Yaqub with Yusuf and granted victory to His righteous servants is fully capable of changing your life as well. So never allow despair to enter your heart. Continue praying with sincerity, continue seeking forgiveness, continue obeying Allah, and continue trusting His wisdom even when you do not understand His plan. Every challenge has an appointed end, and every promise from Allah has an appointed time. Your hardship is not the final chapter of your story. By Allah's mercy, it may become the very reason you grow stronger, increase in faith, and witness blessings greater than you ever imagined. Hold firmly to your trust in Allah, because when He promises success to those who believe, remain patient, and rely upon Him, that promise will never fail.